The Balkan Peninsula harbors the most diverse flora and fauna of the entire continent of Europe. But what organisms inhabit this unique piece of Earth's surface? Which plants shape the appearance of the vast lowlands, and which colonize the rough peaks of the many mountain ranges? And what causes this exceptionally high biodiversity of the Balkan Peninsula? A look at the vegetation map of the Balkan Peninsula reveals that there are many different biomes. In higher altitudes you find mountainous forest, which is indicated in green. You can see the Dinaric Mountains in the west, the Pindus Mountains in the south, the Vrila-Rhodopian Mountains in the central part, the Balkan Mountains in the north, and the Carpathian Mountains in the far north. At even higher altitudes, alpine vegetation spreads, which is indicated in blue. At the coast, vegetation is influenced by the Mediterranean Sea, which is indicated in red. The majority of the land, however, is covered by lowland vegetation, which is shown here in yellow. In the vast continental lowlands, naturally a species-rich summer-green broadleafed forest would flourish, dominated by oak species like Quercus frainetto and Quercus cerris. However, most of this biome has been removed to make space for agriculture, livestock grazing, and human settlements. As a consequence, steppe-like grassland dominates the lowlands today. With rising altitude, temperature drops, creating suitable environmental condition for red beech forests that cover the mountain ranges. With increasing altitude, fir becomes more present. Many peaks exceed the tree line. During summer, the alpine grass mats become visible, but in winter they are covered in snow. Life does not only thrive on the mountains, but also inside them. Due to intense karstification, a near endless number of caves perforate the Balkan mountain ranges, being home to Europe's most diverse cave fauna. The Balkans' high biodiversity is caused by its diverse orographic history, with parts of its landmass originating from Africa, Asia, and of course Europe. This results in a large diversity of environmental conditions, which is reflected by biodiversity. Furthermore, the Balkan Peninsula serves as a refuge for plants as well as animals during Pleistocene glacial periods, resulting in the presence of many endemites and relict species.